Okay, so it also has these removable handles here. They can be mounted on the inside or the outside, however you want it. Now what I've heard with some other reviews is these are going to transfer heat from up here, and they can burn you if you're trying to cook and you rub up against them. So I'm going to probably omit those, take those off, and I'm going to go without them because I doubt I'm going to need to move this out in and out too much. You can clean it right here. The thing I do like about the stainless steel is you don't have to season it like you do a cast iron or a steel. You're just going to go ahead and put your oils on there, your healthy oils, and then you're going to cook your food, and that's going to be easy to clean off. If it starts to burn a little bit or whatever, you can use a scouring pad or however you want to clean your stainless off like you do your pots. But it does have those handles. If you want to take it in and out, you can. Like I said, I'm going to take it off. So that's pretty much it. It's a short video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe. We will do a cooking video if you want me to. I just wanted to show you the product and the quality of it. And like I said, it is pretty thick. It's almost like 1/8 of an inch thick, which is pretty nice for stainless steel. That should transfer a lot of heat from those burners. And once again, that's what it looked like. You can either take out the Flavor Saver bars or you can leave them in. Please like and subscribe. Share with your family and friends. Take care, everybody. And I will put a link in the description page on YouTube for this particular model. You can go to Amazon or you can go directly to their website if you want to. If you purchase from them, I may get just a small residual income. A little bit of income makes it easier for me to go ahead and purchase more products and do reviews for you. Take care.